Welcome back to another Ravis Madden mobile video, and today we're doing another quick sell. So, what do you do when you have 94 overall? One of the greatest halfbacks of all time, in some people's opinion. You quick sell him if you lose the challenge. And today, the challenge is the Hail Mary challenge. And so it's with my regular team. Yeah, pretty much. That's it. And basically I'm doing head-to-head. I do 5 matches. And I have to score a touchdown on 3 of the 5. And if I don't, then Terrell Davis goes for 500 coins. So, who should we play? We'll play I don't care. This guy. This will be our first match. Alright. So we have to do Hail Mary every single play. Even if we're at like the 5-yard line about to score, we have to do a Hail Mary. And that's my biggest worry, is that, because I'm not sure how we're gonna throw a Hail Mary. It's gonna be hard, but alright, Hail Mary. I don't know who to look at. Delaney Walker. He's open. Yes. Oh, he almost caught it. Alright. We obviously gotta do the same play. T.Y. Hilton. Single coverage. That wasn't a high enough pass. That's kind of my bad. Alright, they're down. Uh-oh. Delaney Walker. The tall boy. No, he's actually not that tall. Delaney Walker. He catches one. That's nice. Now we're at about the 23. And Isaac Bruce. Can you catch it? He cannot. Alright. Could look at Walter Payton. We're going to look at Walter Payton. Or no, I did. Oh, I clicked the wrong button. Whatever. Third down. Got 2 more. Oh, what? Is it countered or what? No, he just broke. Isaac Bruce, come on, catch it. 4th down. Oh, come on. We can only use one more. Lose one more. Yeah, I'm glad I did do this with an all bronze team. Because if I did, then we'd have to quick sell Terrell Davis. Because we might have to, even with my own team. And, you know, T.Y. Hilton, some people might ask why I have him. Because he's only 88 overall. But his stats are awesome. He has like 95 speed, 94 something catch, or something. Yeah, something like that. And then he has like 93 acceleration. So yeah, he's a beast. Delaney Walker again. Can he catch it? He can. He's been pretty good. He's the only one that's caught one. Alright. T.Y. Hilton. No. It was too late when I threw it. He was wide open. I was looking at the right side of the field. T.Y. Hilton. Get it. Get it. Yes. Extra points don't really matter, but just for fun, we'll go Hail Mary for the 2-point conversion. I have no clue how this is going to work. Walter Payton. Hey, we got it. That's pretty funny. Please no network timeout. Alright. So yeah, T.Y. Hilton, only an 88 overall. But look at this. 95 speed, 96 catch, but that's with his own. So yeah, so 96 catch, and then 94 agility, 93 acceleration. Yeah, it's a pretty good card for an 88. I don't know why he's an 88. And you got the free Jerry Rice. And Isaac Bruce, I got him in the Rhodes Signature Pack. So, we're already in it. Let's play the Chargers. We can only lose one more. So, let's hope that somebody's going to go up and catch it. Isaac Bruce, maybe. Alright. Or we could get a kick return for a touch. Oh, you fumbled it. Okay. I don't know if I should count. I feel like it shouldn't. I'm not counting that. I know some of you might be like, it's part of the play. But the whole point is this is a Hail Mary challenge. So we're just not going to count that. Alright, this time, get kick return touchdown. Last time I asked for it, but you fumbled it. I'm not very good at kick returning. I don't know if nobody... I don't know. Isaac Bruce. Go up for it. Get it. Oh! He had it for a split second, and then he knocked it right out of his hands. The huge hit. Jerry Rice. Come on. There's only one guy. Oh! Off his hands. He got hit. I hate this. They keep hitting him. Oh, why did I throw to him? That's either a pick or... Yeah. No! Freak. We can only lose one more. I mean, we can't lose any more. That's what I meant. The pressure's on. We'll play the Ravens. Well, they don't have Ed Reed still. Maybe he does. Like the Road to the Ring. Because, Ravens fan. Oh, is he not there anymore? Okay, he's gone. We'll play the Bengals. Going up against whoever he has. But if it were real life, it'd be Vontae's Perfect and Pac-Man Jones. Oh, he has Ndamukong Suh as the kicker. It's kind of funny whenever I see that. Okay. Hail Mary. Delaney Walker. He catches the ball. Just kidding. We have to freaking quick sell Terrell Davis. Man. That wasn't a good idea. At all. On my part. So... Alright. How about this? If I get 99 overall, Bo Jackson, in this pro pack, then I don't have to quick sell him. I'm just kidding. But we will open a pro pack. I don't know, just because I feel like it. Probably won't get anything. And a Derek Carr. Wow. What an insane card. Just kidding. I don't want to do it. 29 coins, definitely. How about I just quit 6 sell this guy instead? Oh, I don't know why I did that. Alright, let's just... I don't want to look. Get it over with fast. Go away. Ugh. Alright. Sorry you had to witness that. But we'll buy another Pro Pack to end off the video. Just because. Amazing. I'm gonna get 99 overall. Bo Jackson. Whoa, a double gold. I'm just kidding. He has 72, so that counts as a silver. But we had to quick sell him. Didn't really have a chance, only won one. But yeah, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time, I guess. Hopefully that we can. Hopefully there's a good pack on the market for next time that we can do pack opening. Or you tell me what you guys want to see, because I'm not sure if you want to see more pack openings or more quick sell things like this. But thanks for watching.